Hi everyone, thanks for watching. If you're a follower or someone new, you might notice that in some of my videos I have in the title my name, and then you see that my name for my YouTube is a total different name. So just to address that really quickly, I did change the name of my YouTube account. So now it is Dark Blood Queen. So in all my socials, you put in Dark Blood Queen, you will find me, and I'll be attaching that down below too. So just, yeah, thanks for watching and coming and seeing what I have to talk about. Hopefully it's interesting to you, because quarantine, there's not really like much to do right now, as you already know. But recently I did discover, I thought Sally's beauty supply was closed, and actually they're not. They're doing curbside. So if you didn't know that, check in your city or your state and see if there's any nearby that's curbside for you, which was really cool. So I was able to do over the phone order. So that's one of the things that I did recently. I also did curbside pickup with Best Buy too. Many of you probably know that Best Buy is open, which is really nice. So I got a few things, so I'm going to show you guys what I've gotten, and I don't know what I've been up to during quarantine, what I'm trying to just keep myself like busy doing, because it can get really like boring and just not in a good state when you don't have like something planned out to do, or just an idea of doing something. So that's kind of been my mindset recently. It's just always coming up with something to do and just keep myself busy. Let's just dive into like what I've gotten. I'm gonna first talk about Best Buy. So that was really cool that we can go and do curbside pickup. So I realized my battery to my camera wasn't charging, didn't realize that I had the wrong charger. So I went and I picked up a charger for that and an extra battery. And it seems like really good quality. I don't know if any of you guys have used it, but I'll show you guys what it is. So the charger, the box for it looks like this. I hope you can see that, a little bit of a glare there. There we go. So this is the charger, because I have the Canon G7X, so I needed to find something that worked well for that. What's really cool, the box, it says 1 hour charge, so I felt like it did charge my battery pretty fast, which was really cool, and that's really nice. So when you need to charge your battery fast, have it ready for you, you know that it's going to be done fairly quickly. This is how it looks. And if you can see, there's like a little screen there. It's nice because it just lets you know basically when it's charging and it's full, and you just kind of put the battery right in there and it just clicks in. So pretty easy, as you probably know, just like a lot of other ones. And so far it seems like it's working well. Alright, I'm back. Just did some ordering of food. So yeah, anyways, we were just talking about what I got from Best Buy. So I got the charger that should work for my camera, and then I found, it's from the same company, Refuel. I got an extra battery, I thought, just in case if my other battery was acting up, because I wasn't sure, is it that I have the wrong charger or is there something wrong with the battery? So I just ended up just ordering both. Ended up just being I had the wrong charger, like I was talking about earlier in the video. So this is how it looks like, the packaging. Actually, I think I have the battery that came in here in the actual camera. This is just the battery that came with my camera, but as we can see right now, it's working just fine, no issues at all. So if you guys have used it, like it, or have any concerns about it, you can let me know. Not the most fun thing to do, but at least I was out taking a ride and it was just nice being outside. So, and then the next stop that I did was Sally's. I don't know if you can tell, but with my hair, I have like a bit of like an ombre thing. It's like lighter brown, and then my natural, which is pretty dark brown up here. So I was thinking about maybe just coloring it all to my natural, being that during quarantine you can't go to a salon and get it fixed, and it's just really fading out. For some reason in this lighting it doesn't look bad, which is really funny because I feel like it's been looking so bad. And by the way, just side note, because I just realized the background is so messy, so ignore that. Anyways, with the stuff that I got a big bag. The only thing though, because you're doing curbside with them, and you're doing a payment over the phone, they don't allow you to come in, pay, or whatever. You can't return. So whatever you get, it is what it is. So you are taking a bit of a risk because the workers in the store are picking the items for you, and hopefully they get it right, because they're trying to do like zero contact as possible. So just to let you guys know about that. Don't know if you knew, because I was like, oh, okay, because I believe with Best Buy you could do a return, because right by the curbside pickup they have a place where you can pay. Because when we went to pick up our stuff, we didn't realize that we ordered from the wrong store, and they had the things there, so they're like, we can just cancel your order and re-ring you here with the items that we have here. So we were able to pay there, which was kind of nice. So with them it's a little different than like Sally's, so every store is kind of reacting differently. So anyways, I don't know, I wanted to color my hair all one color, and then I was thinking, I'm just getting really bored, guys. I was thinking of maybe bleaching a little bit of hair and putting color in it, something more funky, because when I was working, this wasn't something I could just do with my job. So I've kind of missed playing with color. I've had pink, purple hair, green hair, all sorts, but it's been a long time. So, and you guys probably heard of Arctic Fox. Don't know if you know, Sally's is now carrying Arctic Fox, and I've never used Arctic Fox before, but I've heard really good things, being that it's vegan, and I feel like it's healthier on your hair, and it's also conditioning, and it smells so good. It smells like grape soda to me, like grape pop. So I was thinking of like maybe putting like magenta-ish kind of hair color, and don't know if I'm still gonna do that, but it's something that I've thought about. And they actually had only 2 small bottles left at my store near me, so I just took them. They told me there was 2, so I grabbed them. So this is the Arctic Fox color I picked up. It's called Virgin Pink. The logo looks really pink, like hot pink like, but it all depends the color that your hair comes out after bleaching, how it's gonna turn out. So being that my hair is pretty dark, my hair does lighten pretty well, surprisingly, but there's still gonna be like this yellowish tint. It won't be very orange, because I can get it down to, you know, a really brassy yellow, but with that and this, it's not going to be that bright of a pink. It's going to probably be a darker pink, which that's what I want, and hopefully more magenta like. So we'll see. I'm not sure, because I wanted to do like a strip in the front colored, but now that I'm like learning why people, like, not why people are doing it, but it's an e-girl thing, and it's kind of weird, and I'm definitely not an e-girl like that. I just like that I would have minimal hair bleached, and it's just a little accent. And before e-girls even did this, when I was younger, I had a bleach strip in front of my face when I was young. So I did this even before this was even a thing. So yeah, my boyfriend was a little weird about it. So I don't even know, because the stigma with it. So we'll see. We'll see if I do it. If I do it, you'll know if you subscribe and click the bell, because I'll probably have some video up dyeing my hair, because if it's not this, it's going to be coloring the rest of this to my dark hair. So we'll see, guys. Don't know. There might be a maybe there, and I might look like an e-girl at the end of it, but that's definitely, I don't know, because I don't want to be considered that. But anyways, other things that I got, of course, bleach. They were all out of bleach. Obviously, a lot of people are getting stuff at the salon. Some of you might have heard of that one bleach. What is it called? I forget. Is it from L'Oreal? I'm not sure. It's like the blue one. I guess Salon Care, which is a more affordable brand at Sally's. Salon Care, they have their own powdered bleach. So it looks like this. This is gonna get major glare, being that it's metallic, but it's called Blue Flash. So it'll have that blue tint, so it'll help basically correct some of that orangey color that wants to show up when you bleach your hair. So that's not that special. It's just 2 packets of that. And then moving on to more things I got, but I just realized, because my boyfriend, he's actually here as I'm recording, and he brought to my attention, I keep saying we a lot, and I haven't really explained who's we. No, there's 2 of me, and that's why I keep saying we. No, it's been we because on these adventures, it's been me and my boyfriend. So when you hear me say we, it's me and my boyfriend. So, of course, again, just like the bleach, this is not that exciting, but I got 30 volume cream, and I just realized they got me cream. They didn't ask, whatever. This is what I'm talking about. They're picking out your stuff, and you don't know what you're gonna get. So I got 2 bottles of this just in case. I've used it before. Pretty good. Love Salon Care. Their developer is really good. So got 30 just in case. I got 2 just in case if I do bleach a little bit of my hair. But you still need this for regular permanent hair dye. That brings me to the hair dye. I usually have used, if I've ever colored my hair at home, I've used Ion. You've probably heard of Ion. They're a pretty good brand, and they're very well loved at Sally's. They're better quality of hair color, so they were allowed. They had 1 bottle left in the color that I wanted. I wanted dark brown, but I was nervous about not having enough hair color that I needed. So I asked them to give me 2 bottles of the Wella in dark brown, but I didn't think it was going to be this small. This is how it looks. I have no clue. I've never used this. Don't know if it's going to be good. So we shall see, because it says in the directions to mix it with, I think, their developer, but that shouldn't matter. You can use any developer, I'm pretty sure. It shouldn't be a problem. Of course, they just want to market their own products. Brings me to the last few things that I got from Sally's, which are just a mixing bowl and a mixing brush. This is just, I asked them to just grab the cheapest ones that they had. And this is from Ion, actually, so that's probably why it's in this purple color. I don't know why, but I think it's pretty cute. I like it. So, and it's nice. having the matching brush with it. So that is if I do bleach my hair, I will definitely be using this. Alrighty, so I just showed you guys a little mini haul of what I got on Curbside pickup. So my battery just died on my camera, so I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm probably gonna finish recording on my phone. I'm gonna go eat some dinner because it just arrived, and I'll be right back. Then I show you guys my food. We got Mission Barbecue. It's pretty good. It's pulled pork, some other good things up in there, and drinking some lemonade. So I just got done having dinner. Yeah, I hope you guys found this fun and interesting, just like a day in my life during quarantine and what I've been up to. And I hope that you guys are safe and doing well out there, and your family and friends. So just stay tuned, subscribe, give this a big thumbs up, and also hit the little bell to be notified to see a video very soon of my bed and headboard coming in, and any other things from my room I get, and also a haul from eBay and Jeffree Star. So I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.